Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a document and naming it immediately so autosave tracks changes. Click blank or pick a template that matches your goal. Template speed structure. Once created, set sharing defaults, restricted, link-only, or specific people so you control access. Make sure the document is in the right folder in Drive for organization and access control. You'll avoid lost files and permission issues by doing these first steps before you type. Now build the document structure so it's easy to scan and edit. Apply heading styles, then insert a table of contents to let collaborators jump to sections. Use comments for discussion and suggesting mode when you want edits tracked. Mention teammates to assign action items. If you need data, insert tables or images and use Explore for research. Make periodic manual versions or check version history to name stable. Finish by resolving comments and accepting or rejecting suggestions so the content is clean. Do a final proofread and use accessibility settings to add alt text for images. This ensures wider readability. Change sharing to view only for distribution, or export to PDF or Word if recipients need fixed formatting. If something goes wrong, revert to a previous version in version history. That single restore can recover lost content quickly. Make a backup copy to avoid accidental overwrites.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.